Hi, I'm just going to do a new little video for you for a brand new carrier that we have to the library. This is called a Boba Bliss. As you can see, it is a buckle carrier. We have two straps on either side, and we have a waistband with a buckle on the end. It's from Boba, who also make stretchy wraps, and we've received it recently into the library. We think it's a really good addition to newborn buckle options. So what you do to put it on, if you hold it, it has the safety label here, which you can hold towards you. Turn the waistband and pop it on around your waist, flipping it at the back, just making sure that it's nice and snug and that it's not going to tip forward, making sure this is nice and snug. I tend to find that the easiest way to tighten the buckles, which tighten either way, is by holding the waistband in one hand and tightening it that way, swapping over and then tightening it the other way. This gives you a really nice, secure, snug fit. Okay, so we now have the panel folding down in front of us. I'm going to pick up my baby, who's my nice doll today, and we're just going to bring them onto our chest centrally and just let them drop down at the bottom here and their legs either side. You're then going to go underneath, get the panel and smooth that up over baby's back. You're going to start by putting one strap over your shoulder, swap hands, go behind, give that a good pull down, bring it round, and you'll find that the buckle is here. You can slide it underneath this little elastic to keep the buckle in place and clip it in. Okay, that's one side. Then do the exact same on the other side. Over your shoulder, turn around, give it a good pull down, bring it round and plug into that opposite buckle there. Okay, so I have baby in. If you need to tighten it up, you need to pull backwards. It actually feels quite snug, and just tighten it up that way. Now, what I really like about this carrier is it's very similar to the position that you would create with a stretchy wrap or a close kaboo. It has effectively 2 layers of material which you would normally create with a stretchy wrap, but the process of tying has been taken away from you. It has quite a narrow width here, but because of the way the fabric is designed, you can spread it out and make it wide enough for your baby. Another really good feature, if you can see these little loops that are on the shoulders here, these actually aren't fixed and they move up and down. So if your baby settles on one side, you can move the loop backwards and actually use that material to just support the head, whilst on the other side pulling it downwards, making sure that you've got no material across or round near baby's face. I think it will also spread a little bit on your shoulder. The material will also spread a little bit on the shoulder, and it's nice and comfortable. If baby is awake and having a look around and you don't want any material, then you can just pull that down and it just really clears the space either side of baby's face. Obviously, if baby swapped to the side, then you could pull this back up and you could use the opposite side, maintaining that one in the downward position, spreading out a little bit. This is what it looks like on the back. It's really soft and comfortable, really nice soft material, and I think that these little pull down additions are absolutely brilliant for keeping the material away from baby's face. And I know sometimes people struggle with that with stretchy wraps and flipping the material, but this is really cleverly just designed to keep it away. So yeah, nice and snug. Really good way to tell if the carrier's tight is if you lean forward and the baby sticks to you and doesn't swing away from you, then you know that it's nice and snug and tight. Obviously regular breaks for changing, feeding, but no maximum minimum time that you can keep baby in a carrier, just as long as you're both comfortable. You can also do that pelvic tilt in this as you can with any carrier or sling, if you just slide your hands in around baby's hips and just scoop the bottom towards you. So it's a motion like this where you scoop them towards you, and that will drop the bottom and bring the knees up and make them sit in a nice deep sitting position. To take this carrier off, you just go to the side and just unclip, and then just peel the fabric away, put baby down somewhere safely, and you're back to where you started. So that is the Boba Bliss, and we think it's a really nice addition to the newborn buckle carrier collections that we have. If you'd like to try it, it's available at the library now. Thank you.